Hello my friends and welcome to today's video. Today we have a product empties. I don't know if I'm going to continue these. I don't know. They're just kind of getting boring to me now and I'm not that interested in them. But let me know what you guys think if you want me to continue with these. But essentially I'm just going to be showing you guys some products that I have used up and whether or not I will repurchase them or if I have repurchased them and just my thoughts. I'm just going to randomly pull things out, no particular order. Let's go ahead and just jump on into it. So the first thing is a shampoo, the Pantene Daily Moisture Renewal. I also have the conditioner to it. The shampoo is okay. I mean, it did the job. Am I going to repurchase it? I don't know. And then the conditioner, I mix this with all my crazy hair dyes and that's how I get crazy hair dyes that aren't super permanent. I haven't done a crazy hair color this year, but if I do, this is always my go-to conditioner for it. I haven't repurchased it. I purchased a different conditioner just to see if it would moisturize my hair even more because there's been a lot of bleach to this hair. What did there go through all like my sheet masks and wipes? I have two sheet masks. These are the only sheet masks that I ever use, the Sephora sheet masks. They're the only ones that I feel comfortable using on my skin because they don't contain aloe because I am allergic to aloe. But I have the lychee one, the ultra moisturizing and brightening one, as well as the green tea one for mattifying and anti-blemish. They're good. I just kind of pick up a sheet mask when I make a Sephora order. I have 6 of the Simple Micellar cleansing wipes. I love these. I don't really use like micellar water. Instead I use those because it's micellar water on a wipe already. I just love it. I either use it as like a makeup wipe to take off all my makeup, or I'll use it before my makeup just to give my skin a little refresh because I don't really like to wash my skin in the morning. And then this might be a little random, but Pampers baby wipes. I use these to wipe off makeup swatches on like my hand or anything like that. It's just a lot more, it's a lot cheaper in that sense. I think you can get like this pack for like $2. These are the only wipes that I do like. Let's go through the skincare. First thing, the Biore Charcoal Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser. I love this. I only use this in the shower when I wash my hair, and that's like maybe 1 or 2 times a week just to like really get out the gunk. And I also only use this in the shower 1 maybe 2 times a week. I don't really wash my hair a whole lot. My hair just doesn't need it. But the St. Ives Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub, I do know that St. Ives scrubs are like the best for you, but this, I need like a physical exfoliant to really, I have a really weird skin type. I don't like the apricot scrub. The green tea one I really like. Again, I only use it like 1 maybe 2 times a week. I have some face masks. I have 2 of these. These are my all-time favorite face mask. It's the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask, the one in a jar. This is worth the money. I use this a few times a week or even just once a week. Sometimes I don't mask every week, but when I use this, my skin clears up so much and it's a noticeable difference. I have this. I literally didn't even really use this. It went old before I could use it. It's the First Aid Beauty Resurfacing Liquid, AHA. Couldn't really tell you how I like it because I maybe used it once. I have a MAC cleanse off oil. Don't really like cleanse off oils. The cleanse off oils I have used, didn't really enjoy this one. Just felt like it was very fragrance. Like MAC, I prefer more of like a skincare based brand to go to skincare instead of a makeup based brand like Clinique. Take the Day Off cleansing balm. I love this. If you guys have any drugstore cleansing balm recommendations, let me know because I love cleansing balms, mostly to take off my makeup and then go in with a cleanser, but if not, then I'll just double cleanse with my cleanser, which is this cleanser. I don't have the lid to it. I actually have a second one in my bathroom that I've used up. So I've used up 2 of these. I've used up this size and like a larger size. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Daily Facial Cleanser. I love this so much, but I do want to try the CeraVe Foaming Face Cleanser. Gum Empties. I only kept a few. They're all tried it. Kind of thrown everything else away. Tried it spearmint and tried it minty sweet twist. I'm obsessed with gum. It's a problem. I've gone through like 4 or 5 packs in the past week. So like a pack a day of gum. Nothing else. I finished up some cotton rounds, just the basic up and up ones. I would love to start using some reusable cotton rounds just so that I don't waste as much A, plastic, and B, cotton. Single-use things. Trying to be environmentally friendly, at least as much as I can. I don't know why I have this in here, but it's like a travel size dry shampoo. Dove dry shampoo is not my favorite, but they do have it in a travel size, so I pick it up when I go traveling, and a lot of these have been since I have been traveling last September. Because we can't travel right now. Oh, this is my favorite dry shampoo. And I have used up a second one as well. The Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. Love this stuff. A little travel size of Pooperee. Get this when you travel, especially if you travel with someone, because you know, I just try to be courteous of others. I have some toothpaste, a travel size of the Crest 3D White. This is the travel toothpaste that I use. I've been recently trying out the Crest 3D White, but this is the Brilliance Blast. I have a different one that I'm trying out, but in the white tube. Crest 3D White. My teeth aren't that white. Some deodorants. Isn't really my favorite deodorant. I just kind of gotten it because I was like, hey, let's try it. The Dove Advanced Care Invisible, the Sheer Cool. I have repurchased. I'm not going to repurchase again. My favorite deodorant is the Secret Clear Gel, the rose one. I like to smell like roses. Speaking of smelling like roses, my favorite body wash is the Method Body Pure Peace Body Wash. The scent is Pure Peace. It's peony, rose water, and pink sea salt. If you want to know what I smell like, that's what I smell like, I guess. A full size and a travel size. When everyone was like freak out buying, I couldn't find my body wash anywhere, so I stocked up on it. That's the only thing that I like went crazy over buying was my body wash, because it's taken me a while to find body wash that I like. A lotion, the Eucerin Eczema Relief. I have a hard time finding lotion that works well with my body. This was okay. It's not my favorite. Just kind of went old. A toner, the Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. I really like this. I just don't really use toner. I'd use this more as like a facial refresh mist. It does smell good. If you are looking to try it, I do recommend it, but I personally am not going to repurchase. The last 3 things are hair care products, and they're all shampoos. They're all different brands of purple shampoos. 2 of them, not going to repurchase because they did nothing for me. The first is the L'Oreal Everpure Blonde Shampoo. Not my favorite. I didn't get like a good lather. I know that lathering does pretty much like nothing, but it just kind of tricks your mind into thinking you're cleaning your hair. I didn't really like this. Oh wait, this is a conditioner. This is a conditioner, but the Husk Blue Chamomile and Argan Oil Blonde Care Conditioner. I like a super deep purple conditioner for my hair. This is only day 2.5, 3 of me just barely re-dyeing this hair, and it's already yellow. Like the first day it was super white. Yesterday it was still pretty white, but now it's just going brassy. My hair gets really brassy very easily, and probably because like this was all in one go and my hair is falling out. I don't recommend bleaching your hair, literally, unless you're willing to like damage your hair and not care. I don't recommend bleaching your hair because I've predicted that I will be bald by the time I am 30. Like 25, 30, that range. And after this time I'm closer because like I used to have double this amount of hair and super curled hair, and now I don't even know if I have curls anymore. I can't brush my hair if I want curls. I just went on a whole hair journey, but that's why, yeah, I don't like this. Okay, moving on. The last product, literally my favorite, purple shampoo. I get the matching conditioner to it. This is like the only purple hair shampoo and conditioner brand that I actually like and use, and that's the Shimmer Lights. Everyone, like, this is a cult classic, and it's like the only thing that helps me keep my hair from not being completely yellow. Still a little yellow, but not as much if I didn't use this. That is all of the skincare, hair care products that I've used up in like the past almost a year. My hair in today's video was just a mess, and I'm kind of just like a mess. This is my second video that I filmed today. I am editing my second video today. I think I'm pretty much just getting a week's worth of videos done in one day. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up or both. If you guys have any video requests, leave them in the comments down below or at me on my social media, which is all under SassYT, so it's spelled here, both Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Fun times over there. And again, let me know if you guys want me to continue with my product empties. I'll only do them if you guys want them, so let me know. And with all that being said, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.